Sundance travel trailer is a trailer that has a lot of high-end standard features they don't normally see in a travel trailer.
Sundance travel trailers are an ultralight travel trailer. What does that mean? Well, that means with the aluminum frame construction that we have, from the small floor plans to large floor plans, they're going to be towable by some half-ton vehicles.
So we start around 25 feet with couples coaches and bunk models, and then we go all the way up to 36 feet with opposing slides, double awnings on our couples coaches, as well as bath and a half and some bunk models.
There really is a floor plan under the Sundance travel trailer lineup for every camper. When you're talking about construction with the Sundance travel trailers, we cut no corners. From the Asdale sidewalls to have better insulation, to your 5/8 ton groove plywood floors, to the aluminum frame as well to make this coach truly a half-ton towable from the smallest floor plan all the way to the largest. What sets Sundance travel trailers apart from everyone else is going to be the standard features that come inside the coach. From the night shades that most travel trailers do not have, no carpet in the coach with the water-resistant, waterproof woven floors, the Dream Dinette that you can fold down for ease of use and make into a bed, and in select floor plans you'll have a dual modality fireplace that you can use for heat on that cold morning or evening, or just turn on a light for ambiance.
So the standard features on the Sundance revolve around being able to get your campsite and being able to utilize it as quick as possible. So you got a standard power tongue jack, power stabilizers, and power awnings. So again, when you get your campsite, you want to utilize it as fast as possible.
We really want to get the feel for what the customers need, whether that be decors or changing the glass inserts in the cabinets. And then overall, what we're really hearing is we need more storage. So we've addressed that in every single floor plan from large to small to give the customer what they're looking for, the look that they desire, and the functionality with extra storage for every floor plan.
Functionality to me in Sundance is features that make sense for everyday use, from all of our power standard features for quick setup and tear down, to large windows that open all the way so you can get that cross breeze going on those beautiful days. We also have a 10 cubic foot refrigerator, so if you're camping for a long weekend or you've got a large family, you have enough room to bring all the food to feed the hungry kids or relatives. But putting things in the coach that you're going to use on a daily basis, not gimmicky things. When designing the interior of the Sundance, we worked very closely with Renee Gillis over in our design studio. We wanted to keep a couple things kind of center focus, which is keeping it bright, keeping it airy. Even on a cloudy, dark day, you can walk in the interior, it's still very bright, very airy and open. It's got a great feel to it. Coupled with large windows that all open, so get some fresh air in there. It feels great being inside the unit.
Sundance is an exciting brand. It's looks like you're walking into a house. It's two-tone cabinetry. One of the colors is a painted charcoal gray, and also the floor is easy to clean because there is no carpet.
Over the years with design, we work closely with our customers and dealers, and we've progressed as the decor has changed and what they really want. Moving into more of a farm style look, a little mixture of modern, into what you see today in our urban loft decors. What excites me the most about working with the Sundance team is that I know deep down that we're building a quality coach, from the construction to the pre-delivery inspection, all the way down to when the customer gets it and the ease of use as they go out camping.
I consider myself very fortunate to work in an industry where we are selling fun. We're selling a product that helps families create those lasting memories that they'll cherish, forever.
The ultimate goal for me with Sundance travel trailers is to really give the customer what they need, not only from quality of construction to the decor and to the functionality. And I really believe we're accomplishing that here at Sundance.